In this video, I'll show you how to customize lock screen on Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your this start bar, right click on it, click on the settings. Once it has opened up, you're going to be displayed with a whole lot of options, right? Click on this personalizations. Once I've clicked on it, you can see the lock screen right here. Now, if you want to customize your lock screen, there is a whole lot of things here, right? So you can see this is the personalize your lock screen. If I click on the Windows Spotlight, for you to customize it, you can either select anything you want, right? It can be picture. If it is picture, you can select any picture that you want to show once your PC is on lock screen, right? It can be a picture. If you click on the slideshow, it can be a random slideshow, right? You can add up slideshows from your album, right? So you can just customize it through this way. It can be either in the Windows Spotlight, the picture, the slideshow. Then another thing is you can also show the lock screen background picture, right, in sign in screen. So as well, this is the lock screen status. You can come on here, what you want to once you want it to appear once your system is on the lock screen, right? It can be calendar, it can be weather, it can be mail, it can be Windows widgets, and so on and so forth. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you all in the very next